Sometimes the perfect photo has a few imperfections that Photoshop's Generative Fill can help you fix in no time. My name is Jesus Ramirez. In this video, I'll show you how to use Generative Fill to quickly retouch shadows, highlights, and other elements to ensure your images look their best. This is a great portrait, but the shadows on her face are a bit distracting. In the past, removing them was a long and complicated task. But with Generative Fill, you can do it in just a few minutes. To start, enable the selection brush from the toolbar. Then tap on the right or left bracket keys on the keyboard to resize the brush to make it just wider than the shadows. In North American keyboards, the bracket keys are located to the right of the letter P. Then, brush over the shadows. Don't do them all at once. You'll get better results when you focus on 2 or 3 shadows at a time. Now simply click on the Generative Fill button. No prompt is needed. Then click Generate. Photoshop will then create 3 images that will remove the shadows. Click on this arrow icon in the taskbar to cycle through the results. They're all great, but I like this one the best. This is why I recommend working with smaller selections. You get to select the variation that works best for a specific area. Now you can continue repeating this process until all the shadows are gone. Brush over a few more shadows with the selection brush tool. Then click the Generative Fill button and generate again. Always look through the variations to find the one that works best. In some cases, the generated images will contain some small imperfections, but they can still work. For example, in this case, Photoshop generated another shadow on her cheek, but it cleaned up all other areas. Simply brush over those small imperfections, in this case a shadow, and apply another Generative Fill to make it work. The results are great. All the shadows are disappearing. After repeating this process a few more times, you will see that the shadows are completely gone. In this case, it took a total of 9 generations to complete this task. Now that you know how to retouch images with Generative Fill, try it with your photos. Again, my name is Jesus Ramirez. Thank you for watching.